Alright guys, you wanted a review? You got a review. Champion Doner. That's the one on Major MacKenzie in Vaughan. Let's take a look at their food. Alright, let's see what we got. Champion Doner. How does it look? Does it look yummy? It's a good size. This is my palm of my hand. And this is the size of a sandwich. Alright, let's take a look. This is how big it is. It's pretty much one hand big sandwich. Let's bite into it and see how it tastes. It's a great size for one person. If you're still hungry after this, I'll be surprised. It's good.
hard to get a table. So takeout is usually the best option. But today is Sunday.